Vibration techniques are techniques that are used by the hands or the fingers, and they create like this coarse or fine vibration or wave like motion through the body. The pressure's light, but it's not really a pressure as much as it is a finesse, right? We don't want the body to feel like it's being shaken or jarred in any way. Vibration is sparingly used, very specifically, like topotoment can be a lot of fun and very powerful. Most often it's used after the tissues have been warmed up, but not always. In the total body flow method, we often start with just a little bit of motion to just say to the nervous system, time to relax. Here we are, right? So it depends on your intent and your skill level, but again, sparingly. The result of using vibration is that you can stimulate the organs, you can stimulate or relax the muscle and the joint. It also is used to help the recipient release major armoring, like tension that's been built up in the body, right? So it can say, hey, just release that right here when we create some motion in the body. So a lot of fun. I think you're going to enjoy this one. Let's take a look at the videos.